Coconut milk recipe to detox organs and fight inflammation fast. Good morning, everyone. Is there anything better than a comforting, warm beverage to kickstart your day? While many reach for coffee or tea, how about we add a splash of color and health to your mornings? Today, we're delving into the world of golden milk, a magical elixir blending the goodness of coconut milk and the vibrant turmeric. Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind this golden concoction. But first things first, have you ever heard of golden milk? It's an ancient Ayurvedic drink cherished for its soothing warmth and incredible health benefits. At its core is turmeric, a spice that not only gives this drink its golden hue but also houses a treasure trove of health properties. Let's talk about turmeric's remarkable benefits. From its antiseptic and analgesic properties to boosting immunity and promoting digestive health, turmeric is a true superhero spice. It's even shown promise in combating cancer, aiding liver detoxification, and enhancing brain function. Now, combine this powerhouse with the creamy richness of coconut milk, and you have a recipe for wellness that tastes as good as it feels. Now, let's get to the exciting part, making your own golden milk at home. Here's what you'll need. Turmeric paste. A 1/4 cup turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/2 cup filtered water. Golden milk. 1 cup coconut milk, you can also use hemp milk for a twist. 1 teaspoon virgin coconut oil. 1/4 teaspoon, or more, of the turmeric paste. Raw, unpasteurized honey, to taste. To prepare the turmeric paste, simply mix turmeric powder, black pepper, and water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture until it forms a thick paste. Let it cool and store it in your refrigerator for later use. For the golden milk, combine coconut milk, turmeric paste, and coconut oil in a saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly. Remember, we don't want it to boil. Add honey to sweeten according to your taste. Voila! Your homemade golden milk is ready to bring warmth and wellness to your mornings. Not only does it taste heavenly, but it also nurtures your body from within. We hope you give this recipe a try and share the golden goodness with your loved ones. For more inspiring recipes and wellness tips, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay golden and stay healthy. Cheers to a vibrant life.